Hi everybody. Math time. We're on 97A, and it's a good thing I looked closely because it calls for a ruler. It tells us to draw a 3-inch line segment for your name. So you notice there's a beginning dot, but there's not an ending dot. So on your ruler, you're going to look on the inches side. There's space farther apart than the centimeter side. So you always lay the beginning of the ruler on the dot at the beginning. Okay, and we're going to draw from the 1 to the 2 to the 3. A 3-inch segment line, and then you can put a dot there and put your name. You have to write your name tiny. Today is May 5th. So we're in the 5th month now. 5. Today is May 5th, 2020. It's actually Cinco de Mayo, and we celebrate that pretty big here in America, so you might be eating tacos for supper. And the day of the week is Tuesday, Tuesday. And we're making 5 tally marks. All right, tracing 88 and writing it 3 more times. And counting the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits on this line. All right, we have a word problem. Gary had 2 number cards with numbers 13 and 25. So we'll just make a card and put 13 in it. Probably like flashcards that you do to practice your math. 25. Tom gave him 3 more number cards with numbers 42, 16, and 21. Draw a picture, which we did, and write a number sentence to show how many cards Gary has now. So how many did he have to begin with? He had 2. And then his friend Tom gave him 3 more. So he has 5. How many cards does he have now? 5 number cards. All right, did you have a feeling they were going to ask you to put them in order? It says put the number cards from problem 2 in order from the least to the greatest. So the smallest number to the biggest number. All right, we have 13, 25, 42, 16, 21. The teens are going to be first. We have a 13 and a 16. Which one is the least? Yes, 13 and then 16. All right, after the teens come the 20s. We have a 25 and a 21. Which one comes first? 21 and then 25. We're getting greater and greater, and there are no 30s, but there's a 42. 42 is the greatest of these number cards. All right, number 4, draw a congruent shape on the Geo Board. Trace each side with a different color. How many sides does this shape have? All right, congruent means it's the same shape and size. So on this board, we're going to do what they did. We're going to start at the second dot and go all the way down to the bottom. We're going to go all the way to the right, all the way to the bottom again, and make our shape closed at the bottom. All right, then it says to use a different color on each side. Ooh, wasn't ready for that. So I do have a purple, and I do have a blue, I don't have a different color with me right now, but one could stay black and then a different color right here. I don't want to leave our video. How many sides does this shape have? So we know that a square and a rectangle has 4 sides. All right. Now we're filling in the missing number. These are the add-ins that are missing. We already have the sums. And again, like the last time, they're 10. So if we put the number they give us in our head and count up to 10, we'll find the missing number. Okay, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 8, or 8 plus 2 equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And 4 plus something equals 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, they want us to add 10 to each number. All right, if you have your 100 chart, and you need to use it as a guide, that's still fine. You can look for number 41, and the number under it is 10 more. 51. Okay? But if you don't have a 100 chart to look at, you can always just add 10 like we do with our money. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay? What is 10 more than 87? We're going to the next group of 10s, and after the 80s, it's the 90s, so 97. What comes after the teens? After the teens are the 20s, 10, 20. So 19 plus 10 is 29. All right, and then we're adding money. Start with the right side, which is the pennies. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3, and 4 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. All right? Guys, y'all can practice adding money over the summer because you're going to do it like forever. You're always going to be counting money. So that's good practice with your adding and paying for things. Like if you go to the Dollar Tree, wherever you go, if you're using cash, you want to make sure that you give them the right amount and that they give you the right change back. So practice your money. All right, good job on the math today.